I just started the camera.
Bruh, she wanted to be in your video. I've never seen two pretty best friends.
Okay.
Seriously?
It's one of them got the ugly.
Okay.
I'm gonna be quiet because it's me.
You might as well come up. You might as well come up and say hi to the kids at home. Come on. Come on, because you already know.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Get y'all.
Ninth graders don't really know me. The ones that are in there, they don't really know me. Only you guys, huh?
Okay.
But I have it in my class.
Yes,
You need to. I need.
She's not trying to think about like, should I say hi?
I'm trying to.
It's fucking
I
game
never
signs. That's
seen
all
two
that
pretty
is
best
couple from the game signs.
Hey, what does this mean? I do it.
No, don't stop it.
Are you gonna start it?
No, I'm trying to start it.
Is it already started?
Yeah, it has already started. Get y'all's notebooks out, please. Okay.
One of the notes. No.
Wow. He said
What is wrong with your markers?
Don't use that word.
Yeah.
Be quiet.
Let us know if you want to complain.
Be quiet.
No. Who did it? You didn't?
Oh.
Blondie, that
I didn't.
Blondie, work.
Inequalities.
I figured it out.
Inequalities.
Yeah. I just did the. Well, I just.
For this week, we are going to. For this week, we're going to start off doing one-step inequalities, okay? Remember I went over this with y'all yesterday. One-step inequalities. Next week, I'm going to go over two-step inequalities, and next Thursday, we're going to have a quiz on that, okay? So, one step. First off, let's discuss what an inequality is, right? Inequality. Let's put a star next to this. An inequality is pretty much an equation solved.
Can I please have 9th through 12th grade to be in PR for an assembly?
It's
9th
true,
through 12th
the
grade to be in PR for an assembly.
It's at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Hey, you got the email, Mr. Conrad. We all got the email. Remember? Hey, I forgot.
I never seen two pretty best friends.
Hey, you guys. I forgot about it too. You got the email, no?
One of them always gotta be ugly.
Okay, I'm trying to. Yes,
But I forgot to right now.
oh my goodness.
You guys may behave.
I know what.
So, inequalities.
Is an equation solved?
Yes.
And then you stop.
He's gonna write the whole thing out again. No, I'm just playing, guys.
Inequalities. An equation is an equation. Go ahead, what? An equation.
Solved.
That's it. And then you stop there.
Solved.
Why do I smell like baby lotion in here?
I wear it.
Oh.
An equation solved by other means besides an equal sign. Let me just, matter of fact,
Oh no.
let me write it like this, an equal sign, okay? What does this mean? Well, I'm going to go over this with you so that you can know, okay? Go. Y'all got this down?
Yeah.
Okay. No, just these two.
Yeah, I realized.
Okay. Christopher, you've already had this. All right, so let's signs. All right, so first off, you have greater than, then less than, then greater than or equal to, then less than or equal to, okay? Greater than. Less. Greater than or equal to. And then you have less than. Or equal to. Okay? You have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay? All right? And these are the types of inequalities that you will be dealing with. You will not be dealing with an equal sign. Instead of an equal sign, you will be dealing with these, okay? Now, when you graph these on a number line, okay? These are two-dimensional graphs, not three-dimensional, not with a coordinate plane, okay? Coordinate planes are three-dimensional, okay? A number line is two-dimensional, okay? So, when you're dealing with these types of parts, okay? The types of circles you have matter. So the types of circles that are above your greater than and less than signs are open circles, okay? What kind of circles do you think are above the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to?
Buildings?
Filled in circles, yes.
Oh.
Closed circles. If these circles are open, these circles are closed, okay? Okay? So when looking at this, when you graph these, graph these parts, all right, greater than, treat these like arrows, okay? They point in the direction of which you will be putting your line, okay? So when looking at these, if you have a greater than sign, if your variable is equal to a greater than sign, if you have x is greater than 0, then on a number line, you have 0 in the center. What kind of circle is above the 0? What kind of circle?
Open?
An open circle. And which way is this pointing?
To the right?
Yes, good job. It is pointing to the right. So you would draw your line to the right. Okay? And that's how you do that. You have less than. If x is less than 0. Right? What kind of circle is above the 0?
Open.
Open. Which way is it going?
Left.
To the left. Okay?
Bless you.
Okay? God bless you.
Thanks.
Greater than or equal to. If your x is greater than or equal to 0, what kind of circle is above the 0?
Filled in.
Filled in, or a closed circle, okay? It's a closed circle above the 0. Okay? It's a closed circle above the 0. Which way will our line go?
Right.
To the right. Good job. And if our x is less than or equal to 0, what kind of circle is above the 0?
Close.
Closed.
Or, yeah, close.
Which way will our line go?
Left.
To the left. Does that seem simple? Graphing wise?
Yeah.
Sure.
Graphing wise? Don't worry, we're going to do something together, okay? So, this is just a basis for what I want y'all to see, okay? Let's go over the adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, shall we? All of y'all got this down? Mm-hmm. You good? Okay. So, all right. So, addition. All right. Say you have x minus 3 is greater than 5. Okay, well, take your time. X minus 3 is greater than 5. Okay? Solve it like it's a regular equation. Okay, solve it like it's a regular equation. How are you going to get that x by itself?
Add 3.
We're going to add the 3. What you do on one side, you must. Uh-huh. So therefore, x is greater than what?
8.
8. Okay? If we were to look at this on a number line, right? We have 0. What side of that 0 is the 8 on?
The positive.
Uh-huh, the positive side. Which side is that?
The left.
The left side? So that, look, the 8
right. The right.
The right.
the 8 will be over here. Just put an 8 right here. What kind of circle goes above the 8?
The open.
An open. And
Oh, over the 8?
yeah, x is greater than 8. It's an open circle over the 8.
Okay.
So, which way is our line going?
The right.
Good job. You just solved and graphed. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
This is a one-step inequality, okay?
Oh. Is that that
You
way?
solve and graph. Subtraction. You have x plus 5 is greater than or equal to, matter of fact, let me stop. Yeah, let me do that. Greater than or equal to 3.
Subtract 5.
We subtract the 5. Good job. They cancel out. X is greater than or equal to what?
-2.
-2. Good job. If we were to see this on a number line, we have 0 in the center. What side of that 0 would the -2 be on?
The right.
The left. Yes. This side or this side? This side?
That side.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Why would it be on that side?
Because it's a negative.
I know, but then the arrow